Welcome to this session on test environment security and compliance, two critical aspects of professional software testing that ensure safety, trust, and regulatory alignment during test execution. Let's begin with test environment security. When testing software, the environment often includes sensitive data, system configurations, and access credentials. If not protected properly, these environments can become a target for unauthorized access, data breaches, or misuse. Security in the test environment includes the following best practices. 1. Access control. Limit access to test systems based on roles and responsibilities. Use strong authentication methods and regularly audit user permissions. 2. Data masking. If production data is used in testing, ensure it's anonymized or masked to prevent exposure of sensitive information. 3. Encryption. Use encryption for test data storage and communication, especially if the environment is cloud-based or distributed across locations. 4. Environment isolation. Separate test environments from development and production systems. This minimizes the risk of accidental data leaks or system impact. 5. Audit logging. Track who accessed the environment, when, and what changes were made. Logs are essential for detecting and investigating security incidents. Next, let's move into compliance. Regulatory compliance ensures that your testing practices meet legal, ethical, and industry standards. Different industries have different regulations. In healthcare, you must follow HIPAA. In finance, it might be SOX or PCI DSS. For general data protection, GDPR and CCPA apply globally. To ensure compliance during testing, use only permitted, never use real customer data unless it's masked and authorized. Document processes and controls. Show how your team protects information, enforces policies, and tracks data usage. Train your team. Ensure everyone understands their responsibilities under relevant laws. Maintain audit trails. Capture logs, reports, and evidence of compliance steps during the test cycle. Compliance also includes maintaining up-to-date licenses for test tools, adhering to security patching schedules, and following ethical guidelines for open-source components or third-party integrations. Many organizations now adopt security testing as part of their compliance strategy, such as penetration testing or vulnerability scans within the test environment. These proactive steps ensure the software, data, and environment are protected even before reaching production. Here's how to tie it all together. Start with a security risk assessment of your test environment. Identify compliance requirements based on your domain and geography. Build controls directly into your test planning and execution processes. Involve your security and compliance officers early to align goals. In summary, test environment security protects systems, data, and teams from risks. Compliance ensures legal and ethical standards are upheld during testing. Together, they create a trustworthy foundation for software validation. In our next session, we'll explore how virtualization and cloud-based testing environments are shaping the future of QA. Let's keep moving forward.